everyone, welcome to my vlog. I don't know why it's so awkward saying that because it has been such a long time since I haven't vlogged. So today is 24th February, and this video and the coming videos will be a bit different because this is gonna be home alone version. All my bags are packed and I'm not ready to go because I am not leaving. Mom and dad are leaving. अहिले बजेको छ 12 बज्यो. They have flight 1 बजेको, so they are about to leave and we are going to do some things.
Yeah, I'm ready.
He's ready. First passenger हाम्रो first passenger ready हुनुहुन्छ. ट्याक्सी अर्डर भइसकेको छ.
Okay, thank you.
So हाम्रो second passenger एकदम राम्री हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ हिजोदेखि नै रेडी भइराख्नु भएको छ. कहाँ जान लागेको त भन्नु त?
म झापा लान आँटेको
झापा
पेट्रोल झापा because my parents have gone out for like a week and they will be back I think after 8 to 10 days. So this is gonna be me living alone. First time to haina. Before I used to live nikai paila, but normally we don't, like we live together. Anyway, the sun is so nice. See, coming in my face. This is like my favorite time of the day, like morning man 9:30 tira haina. So I just wanted to share with you guys ki this is gonna be. So these are gonna be like a day in my life, like every day kind of. Don't mind me combing my hair because I just took a bath. So these are gonna be every day of my life as a. Hopefully I'm going to try vlogging every day. 24th February as a then 26th. Like I just want to keep track of what I'm doing. Honestly saying, when no one is watching me, normally I go out of track because I am not really used to living alone. You know, I'm used to living in a family. And what happens in the family is everyone wakes up at certain times and we have schedule. Need to go to the office, this, that, you know, lunch time fix huncha, dinner time fix huncha, like fix bannale, not exactly like 8 sharp kind of, but you know, around banda fix huncha. And there's like a routine going on, okay? But when you live alone, there's no routine. You are your own boss. So I just feel like I do lose track sometimes. So this time I really want to vlog, and also of course I love vlogging, so that's what we are gonna do. As a baira janu cha, I'm meeting one of my friends. त्यसपछि I also have some work Darbar Mark tira. अनि त्यसपछि need to buy few things as well, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to take you guys along as I do. अहिले मैले morning को 9:30 बज्छ. I haven't eaten. I'm ready. I'm going to get milk. Doggies. They are following me for no reason. He's gonna jump. He's naughty boy. I'm gonna get biscuits. They're naughty boys. No. I'm about to make my breakfast. As a breakfast, my smoothie khani like din cha mood cha haina. By the way, I'm not I don't make smoothie. I can't say I'm not a smoothie person because I do like smoothie. Camera alikati tala garnu mai, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So first I'm gonna get 2 bananas. Which milk is हजुर pani ho auntie ल्याउनु भयो हुन्छ. So छ तर ल्याउनु भयो हुन्छ auntie. ल्याइदिनु. So auntie aunu bhayo. So auntie is like house help kind of. She comes and does all the work. She's really nice and she has arrived. I had mero breakfast, which was smoothie, which was really good. I feel good because it was like a lot, but now I have to leave like I have planned to meet my friend 1:15 ma. I have some work, so I've decided to leave at 2, but I still have work to do. That rhymed, but I still have work to do, so I'm like, what am I supposed to do? So मलाई 3टा जति डिजाइन्सहरु I need to send it print को लागि. त्यसपछि 2 ठाउँमा print को लागि I have to send it. त्यसपछि I also have to see if like product को picture लिनु छ and things like that. I only have 1 hour. Okay, so I'm done with my work. I'm super happy because you know the happiness when you get done with your work is like I'm gonna get dressed. And by the way, whenever I'm alone, the first thing I do, can you hear the echo because there's no one? Oh shit, I did not feed the fishes is kind of fish एउटा छ त्यो पनि see it's little right here, can you see? सबै फिशहरू के हुन्छ भन्नाले हैन I don't know weatherले गर्दाखेरि they die, so we are just supposed to feed एकदमै कम. So if you have fish and they are dying, then do not overfeed them. I know you love them, but do not overfeed them. So I'm just literally going to put tinta, yes, in it. My fish is hungry. He's a belka halnu पर्ने थियो, but it's fine. Fish can actually survive without having food for many days. So let's feed. पुरै aquarium मा एउटा मात्र fish छ. Come on. गयो ला दुईटा चाहिँ अड्क्यो. Okay. Let's see खान्छ अब एकछिनपछि. So he is coming or she is coming. Come. ए कता छ यता छ ए ला. He didn't see the food. Food यहाँ float भइरहेछ. Come on, eat it. Okay, I think maybe scared, so let's just leave. अनि खान्छ, but खाएको मलाई देखाउन मन थियो कस्तो मजाले खान्छ के. Maybe smell भइरहेछ. You can smell. Come up. Oh, coming. Here, right here. Here is the food. That the footage mat खायो. Oh, did you see that? Okay, त्यसरी नै खान्छ. Okay, let's go back here. Telling कि मैले Crime Patrol को सीनहरू I have watched so much that I am very scared of all these like psycho wala killers and these kind of people. So the first thing I do, and I tell my mom as well, if you're alone in your house, make sure it's lighting राम्रो छ नहीं माथि. So I tell my mom कि make sure you lock the doors. Make sure बाहिरदेखि you lock the doors because I am really scared. Risk नहीं लेना. So let's go. Let's change and let's leave. So this weather gets on my nerves so much. Because neither it's cold nor it's hot. So what am I supposed to wear? Should I just stay in? I think I should just stay in, like inside my wardrobe and not go out and like just lock myself inside because it's so annoying. What am I supposed to wear? I will need to go out. So I'm gonna wear something thin, but again I'm gonna layer something because it's not even hot, and I'm gonna wear my boots. I can't wear my long boots anymore because it's hot, but I'm gonna wear my short boot. क्यों है जिंदगी ऐसी क्यों है जिंदगी ऐसी? ये हम हैं, ये हमारा OOTD है और हम बाहर जा रहे हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है हम पारी कर रहे हैं, but no, हम बाहर जा रहे हैं. So this is what I chose to wear. It's hot, it's cold, everything. So I'm wearing a patulo wala high neck. This is my mom's, by the way. And just wearing some casual pants. Casual. Why is the dog barking so much? By the way, I was watching my old videos with my relatives. So they had come and they were like, we want to watch your video. I showed them the video, and then I realized that in one of my Dasai vlog, I literally got ready, and literally in one vlog, because it was like accumulation of I think 5-6 days. So literally there were like 5 times me getting ready, and it was really awkward. So I just thought, you know what, I'm not going to do that in my videos ever after, because that was so embarrassing, because I was getting ready after like every 3 minutes because it was another day. I don't know if I'm making sense. Oh my god, why is the dog barking so much? Kya hi kare? Also, I just feel like if you have a dog, please do not tie your dogs, in the rooftop, because of course they feel alone, so that's why they are barking. They need your attention. By the way, it's a mirror size, so I'm looking at the mirror. Do not think that I'm ignoring you guys, because I'm not. So I was telling my friend ki, I'm not in the mood to edit at all, even though I have footage. And he was like, send me the videos, I'm gonna edit it for you, but my videos are too raw to send to you, bro. And I was like, no, thank you, I'm gonna do it myself. Highlighter. I absolutely love highlighter. So I have been using this Wet n Wild Co. I ordered it online from Obsession, which is an Obsession Utasake. This Bisal Bazaar sa ni tyasa. But since I know the shop is like authentic and the products are really good, I find it okay to order online. Matisto that's I feel okay to order online. So I ordered Tyabato, and yeah, you can my Obsession by Lego, by the way. Most of my makeup products I don't get a lot, but whenever I get it from there because the quality is really good. So yeah, Pretty Click, but I get it because they also have like nice authentic things. I really love this brick color above my eyelids, just to make sure that I look a little bit awake. I don't know how I look. Pata nahi, ab two things: mascara. I don't use eyeliner. I only use mascara. I can't close my mouth and put mascara. That's like I realized this fact. Oh, mathi लाग्यो. Anyways, whatever. 1:15 मा भेट्ने भनेको छ. अहिले बज्न लाग्यो 12:30. मलाई त्यहाँ पुग्न लाग्छ 10 to 15 minutes. So I have time. I still have good like 20 minutes किनकि लक गर्न पनि टाइम लाग्छ है. क्या करूँ मैं? I have to lock like 4 doors. लक पनि फेरि गाह्रो छ कि गाह्रो. Okay, I like putting like double layer. एकचोटि यो ड्राई हुन दिएर I'm gonna put. Which earring should I put? By the way, यो vlog त पुरै like हुन्छ नि मी वाला हुन्छ जस्तो लागिरहेको छ मलाई. I'm ready. My friend just called me कि पहिला म एन्टा गएर आउँ भनेर. So I'll go there. मेरो ब्याग कहाँ छ? मेरो ब्याग बाहिर. Okay, finally shoes लाएँ. I just realized how difficult it is to, you know, do everything by yourself. ढोका सबै हेर्ने, check गर्ने, everything. So I need to lock more doors now. Let me do that. के हुँदैन
लाग्छ जस्तो.
स्टोरी होइन भिडियोमा राख्छु म.
क्याको भिडियो?
युट्युबको भिडियो. उहाँ लन्चमा आउनुभएको छ आज मसँग. अनि त्यसपछि बिकज आई हेभन eaten lunch. मेरो मर्निङ स्मुदी पछि दिस इज लाइक माई फर्स्ट थिङ. होइन तातो.
This is crispy chicken. Very, very crispy.
Try it, you try it. हामी रिभ्यू हेर्नु चाहन्छु. कस्तो पिरो भइरहेछ.
Dip it
यसमा डिप गर्ने हो.
anywhere.
And eat it. ये हम है, ये हमारा फूड है, और हमारी पारी हो रही है. हमारी पारी
हो रही है.
So I wore this chain for the first time as a, so you mask chain हो as well as sunglasses पनि हाल्नु मिल्छ यसमा. And I think I love it. I love how simple it is, but also like how easy it makes कि यति मात्रै गर्नु मिल्यो क्या. So whenever you are out and eating, you can just do like this. And mask is right there. By the way, मलाई अघि म like पठाउमा I was returning होइन. अनि एउटा साइडको like स्कुटरमा एउटा बहिनीले she was like because मेरो यो मास्कको चेन भएर यसरी यहाँसम्म आउँछ नि त यस्तो गर्दा. अनि she was like तपाईँको चेन बटाइदिइरहेको छ. अनि त्यसपछि anyways I was like thank you. अनि तर यो मास्क like त्यो I didn't say much. I was like यो मास्कमा यो kind of I just said I don't know what I said, but anyways nice people. They were just like concerned. अनि what else is there? Nothing else. I have to go out again. So I had a very nice lunch and chit chat with my friend Priya. On this page, I don't know why I do those kind of things. And I have to go out फेरि बेलुका around 5:30 तिर अलिकति काम छ मलाई बाहिर. अनि I'm going to return home and I'm going to, yeah, it's very adventurous day. Guys, I'm feeling very sleepy. I don't know why. I think the reason is because I have TikTok and I watched TikTok is 2 baje samma, so I didn't really sleep well. I think that's the reason why I'm feeling sleepy. So after I came back, I have been sleeping for, I don't know, I slept for like, I didn't sleep like deep sleep, but I want to sleep. I have to leave at like 5 abo ekchinma. Ani yes, ani I'm watching this vlog which I found Flying Beast ko. I don't know, is the camera not nice? Like, I don't know. But I found this new daily vlogger, Saurav Joshi vlogs from Flying Beast. And I think I love this guy so much. I love his family. And he calls, you know, like his small like brother is Piyush Namsan. He calls him Piyushi. And Kunal, there's one Orko Bachcha and Kunali, and I really love how he says that loving wala tone ma. Yeah, I've been watching his vlog. Aile bhakhar मैले 3-4 वटा 5 वटा हेरेँ हैन नैनीताल कता कताको. अनि I think I found a new daily vlogger that I'm gonna love. अरू त आई थिङ्क आई अल्सो वाच सानिश भन्ला द सानिश श्रेष्ठको आजकल अनि मुम्बईको निखिलको लाइक आफ्टर दे गट म्यारिड आई काइन्ड अफ लभिङ द भ्लग अनि yeah, I'm gonna take a nap for like a weekend because I have to go out. I'll get a call and then I'll go out. I'm sleepy. Let me just sleep for like half an hour and I'll wake up and get ready. Jacket because jacket le chiso bhai raha थियो and I just feel that I need to be warm and I'm going to meet a friend. So hi guys. So मैले change गरेको छैन because I have been super lazy. म बाहिरबाट आएँ but I just was like, you know what, I'm just gonna chill in my bed. कहाँ राख्नु यो so I just thought camera photo always my camera is always so dirty, so I was like, I'm just gonna chill. अब I need to give khana to the dogs because khana यहाँ हिजोको बाँकी छ. तातो भयो ओके सो मन तातो भइसकेको छ हैन यो चाहिँ इट्स खाना अलिकति दाल मिल्क अनि आई हेभ एडेड अल्सो अलिकति नुन यसमा है सो यो चाहिँ हाम्रो स्पेसल डगलाई दिने बोटुको हो सो सबै यसमा खनाम सो आई फरगट टु सो यु गाइज कि आज म काठमाडौँ होइन सरी केटिएम सिटी गएको थिएँ सो आई गट यो leggings for gym. My gym to जान थालेको छैन and then I got black t-shirt from men's section. I think it was nice. So yeah, I just got a black plain wala. That's it. I don't know why. I couldn't find anything. I just found these two and whatever. Okay, so I do not have a stand. Camera stand. I think it's upstairs because I cannot find it or see it here. Anyways, so I have this. You might have धेरै अगाडि किनेको. I think I bought this months ago actually and I think why not use it because I am also free. Here's कता हो face. Okay, एकदम चिसो हुन्छ यो. Oh my god. I don't know why I am putting this because मसँग छ के अब मैले लाउने कारण त्यही हो के लाइक किनेर ल्यायो है अनि अब नलाएर के गर्ने लाउनै पर्यो. No, I love it. अहिले चाहिँ एकदम चिसो भइरहेछ because it's winter नि त. I wouldn't suggest winter मा लाउनु. I think if एकदमै चिसो लाग्ने kind of person you are. Oh my god, guys एकदम नराम्रो पानी लागेको छ कि हन्च हुने कि यसरी बस्दाखेरि हैन यसरी टाढा यस्तो कुब्रो पारेर बस्ने है त्यसले गर्दा my back has been hurting like my upper side of back है. I don't know why but it has been hurting so bad because I got a call so I think this might be the end of my vlog. If not, then I'm gonna end this before sleeping. So I'm gonna go to sleep अब. It's कति भयो time कति भयो 10:18 भयो and today I'm sleeping early. Normally I sleep at around 12 1 2 not good but I sleep ढिलो नै but आज चाहिँ I'm sleeping early. Why? For that you'll have to come भोलिको vlog मा which I'm going to also vlog because you're home alone वाला every day I'm gonna vlog because I'm alone. There's nothing to do whenever I'm doing. I just feel like I have someone to talk to, which feels super nice. So you'll have to come tomorrow to see why I'm sleeping early as and today was super fun. It was nice, productive. I hope you guys liked the day. Hope you guys liked my vlog. Hope you guys liked me. If you did, subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button and come back tomorrow.